Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of one of my top favorite boxes, which is the DIY Designer box from ThredUp. You get 7 items for $140 and plus tax and shipping it comes out to be about $22 per item. Usually you hope to get at least 1 to 2 really good items in there. So I'm going to get to that here in a second. Couple things first. I wanted to show you, I was so excited about this, what do you call it? Bustier that I got in a ThredUp fun box. I got an extender for it and I'm wearing it with this shirt, which retrofit shirt that I got at Rent the Runway. And I love this. It's brown and black together. And then I have this necklace that I made out of, I created this, the cabochon for it. I created that on my resin printer and painted it myself. And then I attached it onto this gross grain ribbon, which I recycled from a dress that I had. So yeah, there we go. This is not the kind of thing, obviously not the kind of thing I would wear to work. I'm just wearing it to show you an example of what it looks like. And so, isn't it cute? It's got these little beads on it. I love it. It's so fun. All right, so that is the outfit and the jewelry. Let's get to the designer box. All right. It's kind of heavy, but it's not too big. It's in one of those smaller boxes. And so I'm going to put it over here on this chair. Well, first I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to put it on the chair so I have more space to show you things. Anyway, for those of you who are new here, I will have items for sale. I shoot the videos usually, and then I do the research and put a price right up there. So unless I want to keep it or whatever, but otherwise everything will be for sale. Just email me at mystepstyle@gmail.com if you're interested in buying anything. And my shipping will be low. I don't think it'll, if it's a jacket, it'll cost a little bit more, but let's just say $6 for all the items you care to buy from this video. All right, I still have the snowflake paper. I believe I ordered this one in January, so that makes sense. And we are going to take this off. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I saw something very good at the top. Okay, there is the box. And look at, do you see what I see? Which is this Christian Dior scarf. Oh gosh, I don't know if I can part with this. Oh my gosh, look at this scarf. I mean, there must be something wrong. Oh, let's see, is there a little hole? Yeah, well, there is a little hole in it that a couple of them that I can see. So yeah, there's more than a couple. There's 3 that I can see so far. So there's little holes in it, which is a bummer, but it's a beautiful scarf. I think I might just wash it myself and keep it and wear it. But it is really, really cute. It's a beautiful scarf. Oh my gosh. Well, I was going to show you the brand name here while I still had it up. Christian Dior scarves do sell well. So I don't know about ones with holes though. I don't know. I've never tried. But there's the name. There's the brand name. It's kind of like a mauve, and then it's got some muted tones in it, like browns, yellow, mustard yellow, that kind of thing. But I like it. I like it. That's really pretty. Okay, well, next up we've got something Millie, which is, the old standard. It looks like something brand new though. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Millie, even though it gets a little bit of a bad rap, Millie creates very beautiful items. Very, very beautiful. This is kind of like I don't know what the blue is, but it's beautiful. It looks brand new. It still has this tag on it. I don't know if that means it's brand new. The tag is where? Let's see if we can find it. Gotta have the tag here. I don't know. Maybe that's part of the problem, is that there's no tag. Anyway, there's no size tag, I don't think. Does it say on it? No. So anyway, it's a beautiful Millie shirt. It's a peplum shirt. It's got some stretch to it. It's a pretty blue. It's in perfect condition. I think the reason it's in here is that there's no size on this. So, all right, well, there we go. All right, next up is Diane von Furstenberg. It looks like a dress and size 0. A black dress, size 0. It's probably in here because it's a size 0 and it's really, I don't know. I think it's kind of hard to sell size 0, but I'm not sure why you never know why they put these in a box. Anyway, all right, well, it's a Diane von Furstenberg. I'm going to have a picture of it up on the screen on the mannequin so you can see. It's got some pretty ruffle detail here. Just adorable. And there's the tag so you can see it. Yeah, it's very pretty. I don't know what the material is. It feels too smooth to be too, yeah, I don't know. It might be silk. I don't think so, though. But I will put that up there as well. All right, so Diane von Furstenberg dress. Okie dokie. What is next? Ooh, I love the colors of this, whatever it is. Marni, okay. It is a Marni sweater. Ribbed crew neck sweater. Long sleeve. Yeah, it's really pretty. I don't know the size. The tag came off a little bit. I don't see anything wrong with it at all. Maybe it's a shorter length sweater. It's not what it's not what I would call a standard length. It's a little bit shorter. But I think it's about a size small, but it's really stretchy. So Marni's a good brand name. I haven't tried selling a lot of Marni clothing, so we'll have to. I think I've had 1 or 2 items. I cannot remember what happened to them though. Okay, so there's that. What are these? Oh, okay. All right, so they're actually really nice sandals, but they're Diane von Furstenberg. So that, to me that's more luxe, but whatever. They're in pretty good condition. Let's see. They've got just some light markings on them. Where is, this one's got a little red mark right there, right there. So, I mean, but otherwise, they're really, really cute shoes. They're wooden bottoms, leather uppers, size 7. There's a little bit of, they must have kicked something here or some wear that came to that part. That's the most wear I see on these. Otherwise, there's not a lot of wear at all. Yeah, they're in good condition. I mean, I've never sold Diane von Furstenberg shoes before, so that is a new one. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is cute, but the next one is the best item in the box. I'm pretty sure it will be. Oh my gosh. Look at this jacket. Ooh, now, it's a size 8. That is so gorgeous. It's royal blue, and it is just vibrant, and it's a 1-button blazer / coat or whatever you'd call it. Feels like wool, but I will have to look and see if that is wool. I'm going to show you the tag here. Armani collection, size 8, which is a great size, by the way. It's a lot easier to sell. And by the way, 8 is still a small, tiny size. It's just that a lot more people wear an 8 than they wear a 0. Okay. Let's see. Where is the fabric content? I'm going to have to find that off camera and put it on there. But anyway, it's gorgeous. It's a size 8. It's gorgeous. It's a peplum jacket. I love it. It is beautiful. Very nice. Only 1 item left now. And of course, I'm happy when I look and I see that this is the name on the bag. Woo woo. Whoopsies. Louboutins. Louboutins. Now, I don't know what condition they'll be in. This looks so far so good. Well. Oh. All right, here they are. They are gorgeous. What size are these anyway? Ooh, they're a 38, which is a good size. All right, there's a couple of things. These are in really, look at the toes in these. They're in good condition, the toes are. And they've got these kind of like, what do you call them? Fringes kind of like on the back. Go-go fringes. I don't know what you call them. They're metal. Look at them up close. They're so pretty. They're a size 38, by the way. Size 38 is a great size. There's the bottoms. I'm going to show you up close so you can see this. Let's see. Can you? Oh, that's too hard to see. Okay. The inside does have, like, I can clean up the insides. That is not a problem. They're gorgeous. They're really gorgeous. I think the problem with these is that some of the go-go fringes are missing. A couple of them came off. I don't think anybody would notice that, though. There's so many of them. I don't know if that's why. Let's see. Are there some missing or no? Yeah, there are some missing over here, but can you really tell? I don't think you'd notice it while wearing. So, This makes the whole entire box. This is just an amazing, amazing item. So I have to say, these are stupendous. I'm thinking about wearing high heels again. Okay, I'm kidding because I can't. My knee won't let me. But I'm gonna clean these up, and I will be, you know, they'll be for sale, obviously. But look at those again. Like I said, a few of them missing. I mean, if half of them were missing, I could see. But there's also a little tiny nick in the toe, but nothing too bad. So anyway, I'm super happy, and they came in the bag, which is always an added bonus. So we have got the beautiful Louboutins. They make the whole entire box. The Diane von Furstenberg shoes, size 7. The beautiful Armani blue jacket. That is really, really pretty. The Marni sweater. Gorgeous. And then we've got the Diane von Furstenberg black dress. It's a very pretty dress, by the way. The Marni shirt that looks like it's new, but I don't know the size. And of course, last but not least, this beautiful Christian Dior scarf. So, I mean, honestly, there was a moment there where I'm like, oh, but you know what? It turned out really good in the end. I think I can definitely do well on this box. Just because of a few of the items, I think I will do well. So, anyway, thank you so much. Let me know what you think about the box in the comments. And again, if you want to buy anything, send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. And have a great day.